Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to explain about, I will give the review about LG C1 OLED TV review. The LG C1 OLED is the stunning sequel to your current favorite OLED TV, and it makes some fine improvements to the picture and audio processing for 2021. The biggest change is in a new 83-inch size, which will make it the largest 4K OLED ever when it launches. Of course, you should fully expect the price of will reflect of the bump in specification and sizes. Improves our favorite QLED TV brand in new 83-inch size and new GIMP optimizer settings. The LG C1 QLED TV is almost ready to dazzle your eyes, and it's a good news if you have been waiting to see what next after the 5-star LG CX OLED TV. The LG C1 OLED TV is available on 48-inch, 55-inch, 65-inch and 75-inch, and 83 inches is available. Self-lit pixels, million of reasons to love OLED. When it comes to picture quality, OLED beats LED hands down. That's because OLED has a millions of self-light pixels capable of producing perfect black and accurate color. The result is a viewing experience like no other. Infinity contrast. OLED puts a LED in the shade. Put simply, OLED has a millions of self-light pixels that can turn on and off to achieve infinite contrast. It does not matter how many thousands of backlights they have. LED TVs will still be in OLED shadow. LG OLED TV, a view found nowhere else. If you are looking for a TV like no other, look no further. LG OLED TV is a work of art, a big screen cinema, a portal to gaming worlds, and a front row seat to the biggest sporting events. It's everything you want to be. Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos. Dolby Vision IQ intelligently adjusted picture settings based on the content genre and ambient surrounding, while Dolby Atmos delivers multi-dimensional surrounding and sound, a powerful combination that produces breathtakingly cinematic result. OLED gaming, it's a game over for the competition. LG OLED TV puts you ahead of the game with a swift response, the largest gaming features, and a 120Hz display for smoother playing experience. This is the ultimate TV for your gaming setup. Bluetooth surround ready. Connecting LG Bluetooth speakers for wireless surround sound has never been easier. Connect up two speakers including LG Sub speakers for true surround sound experience, not a wire inside. Now I will explain some key features and specification of LG OLED TV. Key features is self-lighting OLED, perfect black, intense color, infinity contrast. Alpha 9 Generation 4 AI processor, 4K with the AI Picture Pro and Sound Pro, Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos, WebOS Plus, Think A1 and Magic Remote, Gaming Async compatible, FreeSync and VRR ALLM. Now I will explain about specification. Picture is display type is OLED display. Display resolution is 4K Ultra HD 3840 into 2160 inches. Wide viewing angle, dimming technology, pixel level dimming, intense color, white color game out is there, color fidelity 100% there, billion rich colors is available. Picture processor is the Alpha 9 Generation 4 A1 processor, 4K. Artificial Intelligence Picture Pro there. Auto generation selection is available. Upscaling, artificial 4K upscaling. Refresh rate is 120Hz native. Motion OLED Motion Pro. AI sound is Pro available. TV sound mode share is there. Bluetooth surround ready is there. HDR Cinema, Dolby Vision HDR10 HLG is available. Dolby Vision IQ is available. Magic Explorer is there. Gaming optimizer there, and G-Sync compatible is there. FreeSync premium and auto low latency more available. HDI is available. Cloud gaming stand, firmware updated required, response 1 ms. Operating system WebOS, LG content store is there, LG channels and gallery mode and home dashboard. Work with the Google Assistant, Alexa, Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit. Separate devices purchase necessary.